Hey everyone, this is Matt King with the Piers Team, out here in Kansas City near Grandview. What we have right here, you can see the cracking on this garage floor. Here is where it's level, and then just coming alongside here, you can see how much it is settled and sunk on this side. So we're down probably about 2.5 inches. 2 to 2.5 inches just towards this side. So what we're going to do, we're just going to neatly saw cut all the way down, get this sunken section broken off and hauled off site, and then we're going to make sure that the gravel, whatever's on the below the underside of this garage floor, is properly level. We're going to make sure we do everything we can that when we come back Saturday morning, the concrete that we pour, it's going to be flush, not only with the existing good half of the garage floor, but it's also back level where it needs to be. So projects like this, you can see the discoloration there, just showing how much it's sunk on this side. So should be a quick job, really not going to take much. We're going to be getting the saw cut here within the hour, broken up. Shouldn't take that long to level everything out also, and then we'll be back here Saturday morning to get the concrete poured and get this job finished up. So stay tuned for more updates. You can go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. You can find all our pictures, videos from current and past jobs on our YouTube and Facebook channels. And of course, you can always just give us a call, 1-816-288-4373.